All right. I know, right? We can race chairs. All right, I want to take a look at these new cars. These are the new ones.
Those two over there standing up look like coffins.
They do, dude. They do. So these are the new ones. What do you think, Grace? You sit up on this. Yes, that's called a brick wall.
This spot right here,
Huh?
if we aim for that spot right there, we can make it.
Make what? Oh.
We can follow Buckaroo Banzai.
Ah, jeez. Okay, hey, it looks like they got these completed. Whoa. What do you think, Grace? What do you think? Man, that's a tight squeeze.
Oh yeah, you have to be.
Your head goes, no, your whole body goes in there and your head goes right there?
Yeah, you have to be really.
That's your head.
What?
That's your head.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
See this here?
That's where the head goes.
Head, arms, and that goes down, then that shuts down. These are all fiberglass.
And you're looking over this way. Yeah. That's how I see how. Well, you got to figure a person's head is going to be up a little bit more. Then with the helmet on, you'll be looking right over in front of the. It's an old style helmet.
Yeah, but it's new. It looks like it came with them.
Yeah.
So you'll be right about like that. Your arms and everything will be out.
No, arms up, everything will be.
Well, no. I'm saying you'll be right there.
Yeah, it'll be right inside.
None of these have the steering or anything in them yet, so. At least I don't think so. Almost. Yeah, they're getting.